Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hello friends, today we are going to learn character stories for kids part 1. Hello friends, see the first story, honesty. Honesty is always telling the truth. It is about being trustworthy and loyal. There are many ways to show honesty. Manny was the classroom's money collector for special events. Whenever the classroom did a collection and gathered money, the class trusted Manny to do it. If he found a penny on the ground, he tried to find the owner. He wouldn't take a cent that wasn't his. Manny was very honest. Gretchen always told the truth, no matter what. Gretchen wouldn't even lie when a bully wanted her to lie about what she had seen her do. All of Gretchen's friends wouldn't let anything happen to her either. They all loved Gretchen for being so honest. Respect. Respect is showing appreciation and listening to others. It is recognizing the good in others and honoring what they do for us. There are many ways to show respect. Dean really liked Mr. Matthews' class. Mr. Matthews knew a lot about science. Dean always tried to stump Mr. Matthews with hard questions, but he hadn't stumped his teacher yet. He would keep trying. He really appreciated how Mr. Matthews answered his questions even after class. Gina loved figure skating. Part of it was because she had the best coach ever. Gina's coach was great at skating, so she understood exactly what Gina went through as she learned. Gina respected her coach's abilities and advice. Cleanliness. Cleanliness is keeping yourself and your surroundings clean and organized. There are many ways to be clean. Cassie was a bit of a nut about germs. She always helped her teacher clean the desk. She wiped them down every day after school. She washed her hands a lot too. It's important to wash them after using the bathroom or before you eat. She just liked to be clean and she almost never got sick. Thomas was Mr. Tidy. He loved straightening things and keeping them neat. He didn't like to see people making messes. He made sure his classroom team kept their areas neat. Then he made sure the class didn't make a mess of their lunch tables. Thomas liked things nice and neat. Trust. Trust is showing confidence, faith, and hope in someone or something. There are many ways to show trust. Helen trusted her friends. She didn't keep secrets from them. She shared her things with her friends. She knew they would do the right thing and not betray her trust. She tried hard to be the kind of friend that they could trust too. Trust works both ways, and Helen was trustworthy. Nick let his friends borrow his stuff all the time. He didn't even remember who had what. Whenever he needed something back, he just asked all of his friends who had his game or his book. They always gave it back because they liked how nicely he shared. He could always borrow his friends' games and books too. Nick trusted his friends. Friendship. Friendship is believing in each other. Friendship is caring, sharing, and sticking together too. There are many ways to show friendship. The bus was coming soon, and Ron didn't have his stuff packed up. He was having a hard day. Tim and Dan helped Ron pack his stuff up quickly so he could make it to the bus on time. They were showing their friendship for Ron. Karen's best friend Tara was in the hospital. She had all of her class make Tara get well cards. Then she visited her friend in the hospital. Tara's other friends were scared to see her when she was sick. But Karen cared about Tara and stuck with her no matter what. Karen was a good friend. Caring. Caring is paying attention to others, protecting others, and being considerate. There are many ways to be caring. Dean was friends with everyone in his class. He was even friends with Scott, who was really shy. No one else even talked to Scott, but Dean always asked him what he thought. He made sure to include him too. After a while, people started to see that Scott was a really nice kid. It was all because Dean cared about Scott. Sushan was friends with Joan. Joan was really sick and she was missing a lot of school. Every day in class, Sushan wrote an extra set of notes for Joan. She visited Joan twice a week to bring homework and notes to her. Joan was so happy. When she got better, she wasn't behind in school because Sushan cared about her. Love. Love is caring and patient. Love is taking care of things and being polite. Love is a lot of things. There are so many ways to show love. Lauren loved her class. She especially loved her classroom pet, Benny the hamster. Every day Lauren said hello to Benny. She was the classroom pet helper. She fed Benny, cleaned his cage, and gave him water. Lauren loved and cared for Benny, the hamster. John loved his class. He loved his teacher because she taught him so much. He loved his classroom because it had lots of cool stuff in it. He loved his classmates because they were kind, helpful, and fun. He always did his best to keep his class happy and clean. That was how he showed his love for his class. Justice. All these stories by Andrew Frankel. Justice is being fair and proper. It is making sure that everything is done right and correctly. There are many ways to show justice. Mrs. Sanders did not play favorites. She did not always call on the same students for help or to answer questions. She had sticks with names on them. If she needed an answer or help, she picked a stick. Using sticks was fair. Everyone got to take a turn that way. Gary got angry at his team in class because he got questions wrong. However, it was his fault for not studying enough or listening to others. It was not right to blame others. Gary got a bad grade. He finally admitted that it was his fault. The next time, Gary let his teammates help him and he did much better. Fairness. Fairness is making things equal for everyone. It is also about taking turns and following rules. There are many ways to be fair. Rita was a real stickler for the rules. Some people complained about it, but she liked a fair game. If she lost a game, she lost because she didn't play as well, not because of cheating. The other kids called her the umpire because she was so fair. Ken was the classroom's snack helper. He was the best at making sure everyone got their fair share. No one ever complained about not getting as much as someone else. He was very careful to give everyone the same amount. Everyone liked that about Cain. Courage. Courage is being brave and heroic. Courage is about doing the right thing even when it isn't easy. There are many ways to show courage. There was one boy in Carl's class that picked on people when teachers weren't around. Sometimes it was at the bus stop or in the hall. One day Carl had heard too much. Carl asked him to stop. No one had ever said that to the boy before. The boy was embarrassed and stopped picking on people. Carl showed courage when he asked the boy to stop. Kelly's friend took things from other kids. Sometimes it was just little stuff, but it started to get worse. Kelly decided to give her friend a choice. She had to stop stealing or stop being her friend. Her friend didn't like it at first, but she chose friendship in the end. Kelly showed courage when she talked to her friend about stealing. Hello friends, thanks for watching my videos. I am also very thankful for subscription of my channel. Hello friends, if you like this video, please put a like and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, goodbye. See you again very soon in the next video.